Pagod Food. And upon doing so, we are going to give our coach captain a big round of applause. Ma'am, yan ang konti.
We're here at the bus.
We're just a few
Here.
meters away.
That's lady.
I think
Hello. Say hello. And that girl is
showcases
Excel.
and it is compatible.
Say hi.
In
Ayun. There. Yes. That girl with the violet tea or whatever is Mash and that girl Malande. Si Rachel. Okay, wait. Okay. Dali na magsalita ka.
What can I say about? Cholo Ramirez started from the boundary. Yung arco ng
Ano na yung pagod po? Ano na yung pagod po? Ano na ulit yun?
Sige.
Pagod na.
Mamaya na. Ano pa mamaya?
Good. Let us give our coach captain a big round of applause.
We're here at Pagod
Pagdating po natin sa
po.
boundary, ikot po yung bus, babalik na po tayo ng Tats. Tapos na po yung tour. Yay! Yay! Congratulations! Okay, bawal po ang hindi naka-two-piece sa... Two-piece! Pati lalaki two-piece. Two-piece sabi ko yung t-shirt saka yung shorts. 1, 2 piece. Okay? Okay, I know again that you are prepared, very much prepared. Yung iba bumili pa ng speedo dyan, kung ano pa mga bathing suit dyan. You may want to wear that. It's alright naman. Only that pagdating ng gabi, hindi na tayo pwedeng magsuot ng ganyan. Okay? Pero ngayon pwede kayong during the beach volleyball para sa photo opportunities, it's alright. Pwede kayong magsuot kung ano man ang gusto nyo suot. As long as kaya natin.
Pero pag ano na?
Kaya nyo ba?
Yes!
Kaya.
Okay. Two pieces allowed. It is your prerogative. Okay, only that again, remember that we have to respect the place and respect its people.
Yes.
Pagka medyo meron ng kakaibang kilos ng ibang kalalakihan dyan,
Bugbugin!
Kay
bong.
By the way, NCBA is also another school that we are servicing right now. It's the same staff, the same people. So, madadagdagan po yung bantay ng Tats College of Aeronautics because I also have about 10 more people in the other school. Let us make friends with NCBA. Okay?
Yes!
So, okay naman, at least yung mga girls yata nagkakatingin na dito yung mga boys ng NCBA, right? Ay, may mga papa boys din naman doon, di ba?
Yes!
Wala ba? Puro bading? Anyway, whatever. Let's make friends with
Huling-huli kayo sa camera, nag-aano kayo. Tingnan mo sila. Huling-huli sa camera. Nagbaburahan. Nagkakiloka naman sila, no? Grabe na to. Nagkakiloka talaga. Ano ba yan? Nakikita mo ang mga trees. Mga... Oh my God! Nakakaloka talaga, no?
From Batangas. Nagtitinda siya.
Oh my God! Ang daming punong sobrang green. Grabe talaga, oh. Grabe.
Ay, tapos sila mo. Uy, nakapulay ka na. Tama.
Oh yeah! Woo! Tama ka!
Ano yan?
Tama sinabi niya. Tama
What?
sinabi.
Babaeng pagod!
Babaeng pagod. Napudpod sa chinela.
At chinela sa napudpod. Presente!
Ang sabi po ng Ilocos Norte, this part of the province, a family from America was treated by their host to a suntos lunch. And then what
Diba? Tama ako. Sorry! Pwede na ako maging tourist guide, ganun.
Pa, good food. You need to say, pa, it's good food. And from the words itself came the name of the town, Pagod Food Ilocos Norte. So there's no exact reason why it's called Pagod Food. And to the resource material that we have gathered from this part, then those stories are told. Okay, here we are. We're now turning left towards the direction of Town Pagod Food. If you go straight that way, that will bring you to the province of Cagayan. From Pagudpud, Ilocos Norte, it's about 35 kilometers to the next town, and it's already the province of Cagayan, Santa Praxedes. But we need that to go there because our focal point will be in Pagudpud, Ilocos Norte. And we have to pass by the town proper. You're going to see here how developed the town proper is. They have a very beautiful municipal hall and a state-of-the-art public market because it's air-conditioned, or social, probinsya, pero air-conditioned ang public market. And of course, what else? They have good roads. If there's one thing that's good about Ilocos Norte, the good roads within the province. Because here, they don't allow the roads